Now we are in settings. Look at in users and company, we will go in users. So this is our existing user. We can add new one here. Let's say Yash. Let's say yash@gmail.com. So these are accessing rights. So allowed companies SDLC, as our company is the SDLC. Now say as sales administration in, let's say, own documents only. He can read it. He can observe own documents only. Let's say user. He's a user. Let's say administrator. Okay. Invoicing, administrator. These are various settings that we can observe. Like these are the various settings. We can manage them. Now we will upload the user. Okay, now we will go in user again. See, the user is added, and from here we can manage the user